Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Today is day 11 in our 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and today we've got some incredibly cool Drone Valley swag for you. But before I get to the presents, I had a problem last Christmas with a pair of snow pants that my wife bought for me. It seems like every time I'd walk around the house in those snow pants, I'd pick up static electricity. So I had to take them back and exchange them for another pair, free of charge. Super nerdy joke, but I love it. Anyway, on the 11th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a bunch of Drone Valley swag. That's right, you're getting everything that's on this table, starting with this beautiful mug over here. This is like the perfect mug for you to use all winter for a nice little drink of hot chocolate. And it's a really coveted piece because we don't sell this. We give it away to friends of the channel. So getting one of these means you're gonna have a Drone Valley labeled mug, and it's amazing. So we're giving one of those away. Also included with the kit are two other Drone Valley products that we've developed this year that we're incredibly proud of, starting with this 48-piece screwdriver set. Now, we've talked about this before on the channel. This is an incredibly cool product. It's an all aluminum case. It's got a beautiful Drone Valley logo on the front of it. And you might be thinking, gee, I know there's something inside there. How do I get those screwdriver bits out? Well, here's the trick. You touch the top of it, it's spring loaded. So it pops out like that, and inside you'll find really well organized 48 different bits that fit inside this magnetic handle here. So the bits are magnetic, the handle's magnetic, it's got a little tab on the back that makes it easy for you to spin the screwdriver. It's like the perfect set if you're working on anything small. So if you've got to take a watch apart, or you're repairing glasses, or you're working on drones, this is exactly what you need. Now, when I talked about this on the channel, we had a fist fight here at the shop trying to decide which of the 48 bits fit inside that kit because there's so many bits out there on the market. So we finally settled on all the common bits, flat blade, Phillips head, Torx, all the ones that you'd normally use. And we also included, I think, a dozen of the high security bits, which are impossible to find out there. So this kind of product is something that you may not buy for yourself, but I promise you there's gonna come a time in the next couple of weeks where you're working on something that came for Christmas and you're gonna go, geez, I really need a screwdriver to get that particular screw out of there. This is the kit to go with. So we're giving one of those away as part of this giveaway. We're also giving away this incredibly cool pocket floodlight. Now, I talked about this last year. It's got a specialized unit on the front of this that throws a really wide angle of light out in front of you. It's also magnetic on the bottom. It's magnetic on the back. It's got a clip to put it on your pocket. It's like the most versatile flashlight I've ever used. It's lightweight, and it really does throw an incredibly wide beam out in front of you that's consistent and even, so you can see exactly what you're doing. So if you're out in the woods walking, you can clip it to your belt and it'll light the path in front of you. If you're working on a project, you can clip it to your shirt, turn it on, and you've got light in front of you to work on whatever project you've got. It's like the perfect light to throw in your glove box or keep around the house in case you have a power failure, because we're heading into winter. There's going to be a lot of those. So we're also including that. All three of these also include, and here's the big one, a $50 gift certificate on dronevalley.com. So we're going to include a $50 gift certificate, including all the swag, and you can use it to buy anything you need for your drone. So the winner of this is going to get these three products plus that $50 gift certificate. We think that's a great prize. Here's the best part. We're giving away two of these, so there's going to be two winners today. So make sure you enter the contest because we're going to pick two winners at random, send them all this cool gear, and send them a digital gift certificate that they can use on the site. Now, to enter the contest, I say this every time, it couldn't be simpler. Below, you'll find a link. Click that link. It'll ask for your email address and your YouTube subscriber name. Put both of those in there, and that gives me two ways to get a hold of you. I promise you at the end of the contest, we're going to get rid of all of them, but I'm going to keep them for 7 days. I'm going to pick two winners at random. I'm going to send you an email and say, hey, where am I going to send the mug and all the other cool stuff? And you're going to get back to me and go, I can't believe I won the mug. It's unbelievable. Yeah, calm down. Send me your address, and I'll send you the stuff in the mail. There's no charge for shipping, no shenanigans, no strings attached, and I don't care where in the world you live. You could live in Shenanigans, Nevada. Now, I don't know if that's a real place, but Nevada should have a place called Shenanigans. Anyway, we'll send it to you. Worldwide contest. You can live in the UK. Anywhere you live is perfectly fine with us. We're going to ship it out to you, and I'm just happy to be able to give this stuff away. As I say every time, this has been a really good year for us, even with all the things going on in the world. We've just been lucky enough that subscribers have joined the family, and they've watched the channel, and they're responding to the videos, and we're doing our best to put out great content to keep you on top of all new technology advancements and help you fly your drones a little bit safer, a little bit more fun, and you seem to like it, so we're going to continue to do it this year. It's just our little way of giving back to the community at this holiday season, which is my favorite time of year. So enter the contest, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that button down there, join the Drone Valley family. That way you get a little ding on your phone every time a new clip is posted. You can go back to the channel, you can watch the clip, and maybe enter a contest, so stay tuned for that. And that's pretty much it for today, so I hope you guys are getting excited. We're so close to the 12th day of Christmas. And I don't want to say too much here because I'm not sure how it's going to turn out yet, but tomorrow's clip is going to be either incredibly cool or incredibly goofy, but we're going to give it a shot. So stay tuned for that one. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks again for watching. And until next time, happy flying.